If you're a YouTube creator, then you must have this app. I'm talking about the TubeBuddy mobile app. Why? Because managing a YouTube channel is very time consuming. You have to do keyword research, answer to comments, film your videos, edit them, create thumbnails, and the list goes on. Now that's just YouTube, but what about your day job, travel time, doctor's appointments, and a bunch of other stuff you want to complete each day? I mean, where do you fit your me time into all of this? Now imagine being able to do keyword research while taking the bus, or creating a content plan while waiting for the dentist. Well, by downloading the TubeBuddy mobile app, you can actually do those things, and it's a huge time saver. Now, if you don't even know what TubeBuddy is, then go watch this video where I reviewed TubeBuddy and all of its features. So in this video, I'm gonna show you all that you can do with the TubeBuddy mobile app on the go. Let's get started. Now, the first thing that you'll see when you log into the TubeBuddy app is a live subscriber count and all of your video stats at a glance. If we click on the video, we'll be able to see different best practices that TubeBuddy suggests, the tags of the video and where your video ranks for each tag, the video URL to easily share your video, as well as all of your video metadata for various reasons. And finally, you'll be able to see a more detailed picture of your video stats. If we go back to the home screen and click on the comments tab, we'll be able to see all the comments on our channel and respond to them quickly. This is a great way to stay connected with your viewers and subscribers and keep them engaged even if you're not in front of a computer. Next, we've got the milestone tab, which is a nice little feature that TubeBuddy has added. Here you will be able to see different milestones that your channel has achieved, as well as future goals that TubeBuddy has set for you depending on your progress rate. This is a nice way to stay encouraged and share your success with others to inspire them and thank them for supporting you. Next, we've got the news tab, which is a great way for us creators to stay on top of things and adapt our tactics and strategies. The last tab is the menu tab, where we have 4 tools: the Tag Explorer, the Topic Planner, canned responses, and tag lists. The Tag Explorer is a keyword research tool just like the browser tool called Keyword Explorer. Here you'll be able to input a word or a phrase and see a score that is given by TubeBuddy. You can watch this video where I talk about doing keyword research with TubeBuddy in more detail. Additionally to that score, the Tag Explorer also gives us related searches and autocomplete from YouTube. Next, we've got the Topic Planner, which is basically a notepad where you can write down your video ideas for future videos. This also syncs up with your browser plugin, so you'll have easy access to it even from your computer. After that, we've got the canned responses, which is a way for us to respond to comments much faster. This is especially useful if you get a lot of comments or the same kind of comments and you want to save some time replying to all of these comments by using template. With canned responses, you'll be able to select a template from the list and just hit reply. The last feature is tag lists, where you can save tags and keywords for later use. And yeah, that's it for the TubeBuddy mobile app. TubeBuddy has been a huge help in developing my YouTube channel, and with their app I can even do it while not in front of a computer. So if you haven't already, download their free plugin to your computer and their app to your phone. Links will be in the description below. The app currently costs $2.99 per month if you have the free plan, but if you upgrade to their paid plans, you will get it for free and it also almost costs the same. Now what I suggest is you download the free browser plugin first, use it, get to know it, and then when you need more features, upgrade to the next premium plan and then get the app for free. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out. If you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel and make sure you click on that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos that I release. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I will see you on the next video.